Hello guys and welcome back to the Budget Pro. In today's episode we're gonna be working on the BMW X5, the E70 model. We did a job a couple months back on the headlights on this car. We replaced the headlight lenses on it because they were really ugly and yellow. This is actually gonna work as an update on this car for you guys to see that there's no condensation on the headlights. But we are gonna be replacing the halo rings on this thing. Right now they are yellow, and we are going to replace them with some LED as well as the fog lights. All these bulbs inside the vehicle, they're halogen right now, and we are going to replace them with LEDs. We are going to be updating it to the LED kind of style on it. That's going to be the shop halogen, and I'll show you guys part numbers that we're going to be getting, or the size bulb that we're going to be installing on them. What we're going to be doing is taking off the halogen bulb right here on the passenger side, which is really accessible actually. You just take off the cap counterclockwise the bulb, and this thing is ready. This is the halogen. Almost fell off my hands. This one is actually the H8 size bulb. These are the ones that I bought, and I haven't even opened them up, so let's get them open. And I got this from Amazon. H8, yeah. Okay, take them. Let's see how they light up. I guess they look decent. The only problem is that I don't know if they're gonna fit in the space inside the housing of the headlight door. So let me see. Okay, got it. Now the front part. Okay, that one's installed, so let's check it out and see how they look. Wow, what a difference. It looks way lighter. You see on the one at the end. Yeah, I like them. Okay, there you go. Now I have both of them installed. Use that easy, probably in probably less than 5 minutes. So there it is. That's how they look now. Again, I like them. Now we are gonna replace the fog lights, and for what I seen is we just have to untap it from here at the bottom with a flathead screwdriver, and it should be ready to come this way. There you go. So now we are gonna have to, with our hand basically, just to try to take it off, and there you go. Just as easy as that. Oops. Like that, and there you go. Now let's see what we got for the fog lights, which we need is H11 as well. H8 is gonna be for the halo rings, and H11 is gonna be for the fog lights. Whoa. Okay. Let me see, first one. So now we are gonna install it here. There you go, and put it back in the hole. There you go. Okay, we got it. Oh wow, nice. I like them. Now we are going to attempt to do the same thing on this other side with the flathead screwdriver. There you go. This one, it just comes as easy as that. That's it. And there you go. Just get your needle and this bulb right here. They are kind of long, so the cap that goes in the back, that one doesn't fit. Now that's the end result of the halo rings fog lights of the BMW E70 X5. Actually, the headlights, they're not even turned on right now. That's everything turned on. As you guys can see, everything looks almost the same color on the headlights. The only problem with mine is that the ones on the halo rings, they were a little bit longer, so I cannot put the cap right now. And that is gonna conclude on this video on the BMW X5. If you guys liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. So thank you very much for watching, and see you until the next time. Thank you.